Different age groups in dogs. This is Molly, Tilly, and Charlie. There are examples for this video. My name is Bella Paley, and I shall be discussing the different age groups in dogs. From the very old to the very young. And when dealing with them all, you do not want to run out of dog treats. Young Charlie here is having a ball. Dogs at her age require a lot of activity, as her body and mind are still developing. She is making memories and having experiences that will shape her personality. All of her senses are sharp, and she is highly responsive to her environment. Charlie has her whole life ahead of her. For Tilly, this is not the case as she is an elderly dog. However, she is not too old for a walk. Exercise is good for her health and will help grind down the nails, especially on hard surfaces like concrete. Tilly does not require as much activity as the puppy, but she is happy to tag along to play. Both of these age groups benefit from wide open spaces and the fresh country air. A perfect place to play. But one dog is too old for this sort of thing. Molly is deaf, almost blind, and only has one eye. This is due to an eye infection from before she was adopted. Molly needs a more relaxed environment as she is too frail to handle too much stress. Due to her lack of senses and old age, Molly can be a bit nervous. She needs plenty of cuddles and reassurance. In conclusion, dogs of different age groups require different lifestyles. Thank you for watching.